Hi, friends. I would like to uh, take a stock of the economy and the stock market in general. American market was slightly down yesterday on account of the fact that the much talked about um, the stimulus package might not be coming before the election. But tech stocks like um, Amazon and Apple have been doing extremely well. They have covered some lost ground which they lost a few weeks back. Billions of dollars were lost in that crash, but they have made up a little bit. As far as the Indian stock market is concerned, the Nifty is 12,000 plus, and Sensex is 41,000 plus. So that's something solid. And in India, companies like Infosys and the tech companies in general are doing well. The pharma is doing well. The automobiles are doing well. Of course, there is a thing to be noticed, that is the future group of the Big Bazaar seems to be losing a lot of money during this pandemic. One of the casualties is the retail sector, but due to the digitization push, tech companies are doing well, and the general outlook on the economy for long term is really bullish. Look at the reading by the IMF that the financial year 2021-22, India is going to see 8% growth in GDP. Of course, this year is going to be a minus figure, probably minus 10%. But we're going to make up. We're going to come out of this rut created by the pandemic. We're going to be one of the safest economies. So there is a lot of influx of FIIs into the Indian market. Bad news from Europe is that the COVID is having a second run, and countries like France and Germany all getting really affected. They might have lockdowns. There have been differing views on the lockdowns in India in the first 2 months. Some say it was unnecessary and it really brought the economy down. But there was a time when the country and the government was totally unprepared for a health emergency. We never had the hospitals and the equipments or the technicians in place, but those 2 months gave time for the government and the hospitals to prepare themselves for this big emergency. So whether the lockdown was good or bad for the economy has to be debated further on. In the Indian stock market, some stocks, according to me, to be considered as like the tech stocks, Infosys, Wipro, and in the pharma sector, Arabindo is one of those names which is coming up. Uh, Generally, the things are positive. Things are positive for India, and for the coming financial year 2021-22 is going to be a very good year for India. Thank you very much.